Module 5. Modeling the Way.
Remember that the best leaders are examples of what they want their followers to be. George Washington rode into battle with his troops. You cannot lead from the rear, and sending your troops out to take the heat and face the challenges while you remain in an ivory tower will eliminate any possibility of respect. By definition, a leader is in the lead, right up front, ready to take the heat if something goes wrong. If something does go wrong, a true leader never blames his followers even if in fact they failed. A true leader takes the blame, and then addresses how to correct the problems that arose. Determining your way. Topic objective: to discuss your role model. Once you have chosen your role model, study what qualities made them successful. Learn about what challenges they faced and how the challenges were met. Learn about the ideas and philosophies that drove them and made them successful. Study again the Hersey-Blanchard model and see how different situations called for different styles of leadership. Since there is no leader in history who has not had failures, pay particular attention to how your hero deals with adversity. George Washington nearly lost the American Revolution through major hesitations in leadership, and in fact, he lost New York to the British General William Howe. But he learned from his mistakes, and the rest, as they say, is history. Topic summary. This part asks participants to share ideas of their role model. Stories to share. Pick your role models wisely.
Lana Del Rey. Being an inspirational role model.
Topic objective: to discuss accepting criticism. Leadership is neither for the timid nor for the arrogant. Confidence is often resented or misinterpreted for arrogance. People who lack self-confidence often feel intimidated by a true leader. This should never hold you back. If you have honesty, integrity, and deal with everyone fairly, then others will see that. Be willing to listen to criticism, but also consider the source. If you are too afraid of what others might say about you, or you ignore legitimate complaints insisting on respect solely because of your position, you will lose the respect and cooperation of your supporters and peers. President Theodore Roosevelt said it best: "It is not the critic who counts, not the man who points out how the strong man stumbles, or where the doer of deeds could have done them better. The credit belongs to the man who is actually in the arena, whose face is marred by dust and sweat and blood, who strives valiantly, who errs and comes short again and again. Because there is not effort without error and shortcomings. But who does actually strive to do the deed? Who knows the great enthusiasm, the great devotion, who spends himself in a worthy cause? Who at the best knows in the end the triumph of high achievement, and who at the worst, if he fails, at least he fails while daring greatly. So that his place shall never be with those cold and timid souls who know neither victory nor defeat." Topic summary. This part asks participants to discuss times when they've had to accept criticism, be it constructive or otherwise. Stories to share. Any fool can criticize, condemn, and complain, but it takes character and self-control to be understanding and forgiving. Dale Carnegie. Influencing others' perspectives. Topic objective: becoming a role model. You may have heard that perception is reality. You must always present an honest, caring, dedicated attitude to inspire others. To inspire loyalty, you must have a track record of honesty and fairness. If any of your employees do feel they have been wronged, for whatever reason, you need to address the issue immediately. You need to address the issue as soon as it arises, because if you avoid it, it can lead to worse consequences. Believe it or not, the most powerful influence you can have is often not trying to influence someone. When people believe you are open to their suggestions and believe they have been heard, they will work harder even if they disagree with the methods or goals. That is the power of listening. Simply listening to others makes them feel empowered, even if you don't accept their suggestions. If an employee feels there's no point talking to you, they won't. they will disengage from your vision and follow your directions begrudgingly. If you are seen as going the extra mile, your employees are more likely to go the extra mile. If you hide in your office and people never see you, you will be perceived as out of the loop, uninformed, uninterested, and therefore unworthy to lead. Many a successful corporate executive makes it a point to be seen by their employees every day. If an employee is to be commended for something, it is done publicly, often right in the middle of their workplace while they are surrounded by their coworkers. That sends a powerful message to everyone. Topic summary. Inspire and influence others. Some look at things that are, and ask why. I dream of things that never were and ask why not.
George Bernard Shaw.